man. She look good, man. God damn.
Y'all, we back. Just had to take pieces off this car, man. This was a car I was keeping to put my own car together, back together with. Yeah, had to rob some parts off it. So now my silver car don't got a dash no more. Missing this piece. Like, I know I need a lot of this shit, man. I'm gonna have to find another parts car. Probably had to pay a crazy price for it too. But you got a dash now. Better dash. So I'm gonna get this boy cleaned up. Get these pieces sanded, wrapped and on. I'm probably gonna take a shower because I'm hot. It's 4 o'clock again. I'm tired as fuck. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. Car leaving in 2 hours. Got it pretty much to where everything look decent. I already know some people gonna be at that show that's gonna see this car, so I'm gonna go on here and tell y'all what I had to work around, what I couldn't do. Everything, like I said, is pretty much in there. My top dash, I told him like, this is mine from that other car, so shoot, you could just rock this one till the car come back. And then he sent this dash pad to me, so I'm gonna take the material off this, put the dash pad on, find a way to mold speaker covers or whatever, and then once it come back, I'll put it back in the car, get mine. But this piece wasn't glued, but I was like, damn, you gotta take seatbelts all the way back off and everything. Like, it's just a lot of work. So I just said, you know what? I'm gonna have to wait till he come back, because I'm wasting a lot of material on stuff that he want redone, like thread, like time, like webbing. Like I said, you want these done over to match this. The dash, I already, when I price dashes, anything with fab work, like consoles, kick panels, all that stuff, dash, little small stuff, I give a price without material, because I included material, because I use a lot of this same stuff. This is in Chevelle, this is in a couple other box Chevys I was doing work for, so I just buy a big roll. So you got 1, 2, and then another one when it come back. Like, I'm wasting so much material. It's crazy. I get it, everybody pay for what they pay for, but still, like, I only get paid to do it once, not 3 times. So that's what I be trying to explain to people. But some people don't understand, some people don't care. But I can't keep doing that, stuff like that. But I'm gonna finish off the list of stuff you need. You need that power window switch, the one like these. I took those off some door panels I had. These got the clips on the back. A put the fire extinguisher in there. The dash is wrapped. The covers painted black to match the dash and stuff. Then as long as no residue or nothing don't come off here, which I think it is. I gotta clean my hands to make sure. Slide these boys in there. And yeah, I am exhausted, bro. The truck is loaded. This is all the stuff that was in this car, came out of this car. There was so much stuff that wasn't needed. Then some of the stuff I didn't even touch. One for me, got a Pitman kit, power steering gear. I ain't even touched that. The hood hinge, you got some Billy hood hinges I was gonna put on the car, but last time I messed with a hood, I ended up buying it. It cost me $700, so he said, yeah, you can throw it on. And I was like, yeah, I remember last time, I ain't gonna throw it on. But all I could picture was the hood sliding, me and my wife holding the hood slide to hit the windshield, boom, windshield crack, boom, that's $250. You can't charge only so much to put the, swap the hinges. Then you still gotta line it up. Like, yeah, I just said, nah, I ain't gonna do it, cause it just could be a headache. I got the upper back seat in the garage. I'm about to go get that. But I think I got something else in here. Nah. Got all the wire that came up out of here. All the leftover wire and ring terminals. Whatever I charge you, whatever you buy, I don't charge for the materials really. Whatever you buy, it's leaving with you. I only do one car at a time, so no way the stuff really could get mixed up. And then all my stuff for my cars be in my cars or in my house, so ain't no parts getting swapped out how all these people be doing, people. Shit. But yeah, just showing y'all, man, the stuff that people might see. It's just show. The door panels got little creases in there, but it'll come out. It'll come out just because it's pretty stiff. It ain't been hot in here, but they always like that. Yeah, they loosened up a little bit. I want y'all opinion. He wants to get the 86 to 90 pull straps with the wood grain on them. Really, he should paint the wood grain black because all the accessories and covers were black. This was wood grain. The radio bezel, I took the wrap off because it was wrinkled in the corner, so that's back wood grain. So when that come back, it's gonna get painted instead of wrap because that ain't work. The shifter black. The speaker grill's black. Same thing in the back deck. The piece that's gonna be in the middle of that seat gonna be black. These gonna get done over because I don't really like the way it's on. And I'm gonna get some thread match to the material, which I need to get for the Chevelle. Anyways, it's the same exact material for the Chevelle. The horn don't work. That, I actually took the horn apart, and it's something that Amani Forge did to where the ground don't contact when you press the button. So I'm pretty sure it's something I could fix, but like I say, you can't keep going behind people at no charge. It's just frustrating, man. But the car be back in about 2.5 weeks. I got some stuff going on I gotta take care of. So make sure I post whatever issues that people might see, like, oh, he finished the car ain't done, okay? I just want to say that to that console in there, and y'all hear all the speakers and everything together, the car done. But to the end, it ain't done. The front armrest he ordered, he got them pedals. I ain't even think to put them on, but he can put them on. Let me be quick. It's 6:03 in the morning. He already down there local. This boy out before I put it on the trailer. I'm tired as hell. No sleep. Overnight. Real overnight. Till the light come back up. Feel like I did a CQ shift in this motherfucker. Cut the car back on. And it's better to die. That ain't been ran really either. I'm gonna let you do it on camera. Let you tell me what you think.
Man, put me on the internet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she look good, man. God damn. Yeah. It's nice right there. It's real nice right there.